Hello ENT residents, balancing your clinical duties while managing your residency program can be challenging. You're not alone. Many residents face the same challenge on their journey to becoming ENT specialists. But worry not. We are here to give you a solution that will ease your burden and streamline your learning process. We have launched ENT Residency Notes by PrepLadder, which is going to help you for your exam preparation. These are tailored to be your ultimate companion with features that will help in easier understanding, better information retention, and a quicker recall. First of all, these notes are aligned as per my video lecture so that they go hand in hand and give you a complete learning experience. Now, ENT has several complex concepts that are sometimes very difficult to understand without visual aids, and which is why we have incorporated high-quality medical images, illustrations, and photos which are meticulously labeled so that you're able to visualize and understand ENT conditions better and treat them better. Also, to prepare you strategically for your examinations, we have added previous year's questions from the last 5 years in our notes and be able to identify these questions and prepare for your examination in a targeted way. Interesting, right? But that's not it. We understand the struggle in retaining important information when you have a sea of information that's available to cover and retain. That's why we've added important information boxes. These important information boxes at the end of every chapter will act as a signpost guiding you to the most crucial points that you must remember for your examination. It gets better. We know the struggle, and we also know that studying can get sometimes dull, but it doesn't have to be. So we've added some fun crossword puzzles after each unit to just give you that bit of enjoyment in your learning process. These puzzles are not just entertaining, but they reinforce your understanding of key concepts. With our ENT Residency Notes, you can embrace a more effective and an enjoyable learning experience. Don't let your ENT residency program to be a struggle. Enjoy the process. Order your set today and pave the path for success.